Hi guys, and welcome back to day 2 of 30. Where is Blaze? Blaze is at Lowe's today. He's getting to sniff pumpkins and stuff. He's never seen that before. He's pulling a little bit on me. So we're just going to let Blaze walk around and sniff everything. That's kind of what socialization is. Not sure why he's leading us back to these metal things, but he's in the lead today. Gotta sniff the pumpkins. He probably thinks they're balls. It's like he's on a mission to sniff everything. This is all socialization, guys. It's very good for your dogs. Come on. If you guys are wondering why he's wearing his vest today, it's so that other people know that he's in training. He sees a fella through the fence. Look at that little tail. Yeah. He sees the person with the cart. Oh. I don't want him pulling me. Hey. Hey, bud. What are you doing? He sniffed the flowers. Come on. Snipping these flowers pretty good. No, don't eat the flowers. That's not good. Oh, he sees a person. He's pulling. Not gonna let him greet people when he's acting that way. It's just not cool. So we're gonna redirect where he's wanting to go a little bit. Come on. He wants to go underneath those things, but we can't let him. Woo. See all that trash? There's another person. He's trying to jump at him, so we're going to go this way. Let him know that we don't like that. Leave him alone. You can't jump on people. We can't. Come on. I am allowing him a bit of freedom with the leash pulling just because he's never been here before. And we don't normally work on leash. Mostly because he's a shed dog. He's not a leash dog. I don't want a dog that's directly on my side. I mean, he does have to have manners in public, but I'm not going to demand perfect leash manners. Because eventually he's not going to have a leash anyways. He's looking at some garbage that's blowing around. Spooking him a little. He's going to bark at it. Blaze, you're okay. See, there's a bag. I don't know if you can see it. I'll let him get over this. Okay. And there you go. He's relaxing a little bit. Sniff some plants again. I may change my mind on this demanding of not pulling on my leash. He's really getting me a good today. Sniffing in that plant. Might be because I'm videotaping. He knows my attention isn't 100% on him. What are you doing in there? Huh? Looking at some stuff over there. These are really cool trees. Got peaches, fruit, pears. Let's see what else do we got in here? We got some flowering trees back there. It's cool. And we've got Blaze down here sniffing everything. He's having a fun time getting his sniff on. This is really good for him. He's got to get used to all these things. Come on. We don't need to go back to where the garbage is. He was interested in a cat that's back there, of course. He'd take home every stray if he could. Come on. He's actually the one that brought home our cat, I guess you could say. He was a puppy. The cat was very interested and eventually moved into the house. I'm pulling a little and I'm not liking that, so we're going to redirect him. Alright, let's see if we can get him to walk in here like a good boy. Sniffing stuff. What are you doing, Blaze? Are you having fun? Alright, we're going in. And he's pulling. Be nice. Are you gonna say hi? Or you're off and running. Hey, come on. You don't need to be pulling. Stay with. Oh, that's a good boy. It's like gonna smell the bags of dirt. Oh, is that one particularly stinky? Black cow. He's pretty interested in that one. It must have been a pretty stinky bag. It was the only one he stopped at. Ooh, kicked a rock. Okay, so Blaze was originally trained for search and rescue. That's kind of why he pulls on this leash so hard. And so I have to reverse train him. that could be difficult. Sorry, we went through that spot of sunshine. There we go. He's actually done some cadaver work where he went out on the boat and was finding cadaver scents. So he was originally trained to do search and rescue. That's why he's so attentive. Now he's looking for that beep. Come on, Blaze, you can't pull towards people. Yep, good boy. Come on. If he was polite, I would have let him say hi, but he's not being polite, so he can't say hi. Come on. It's bird poop. Move on. I don't want him getting into that. Come on. He wants to pull to the inside, but he is a submissive peer, so I don't want him greeting anybody indoors until he grows out of that. We try not to make a big deal out of it because we don't want it to become a habit. Right now he's just pulling really hard, so I'm going in circles, sorry. Please. What are you doing? Where are you? There you go. See, he knows once I stop, he has to sit still. Maybe I should put that into part of it. As like, how to get him to quit pulling. I'll just stand still. You guys think that'll work? Let's try. Stop. And he stops pulling. We may just have to attempt to retrain him. He sees a person, sees a little tail wagging. Nope, he's jumping. So we're gonna attempt to redirect him. He is, he's very excited. If he calms down, I'll allow him to say hi, but he's not allowed to say hi to people when he's jumping around like that. Alright. Nope, he's still being a little turkey. He's got his leash all wrapped around him. Blaze, sit. Hey, pay attention. Sit. I do have the e-collar with me, but I'm not using it because I'm kind of wanting him to learn to listen to the leash too. I'm wondering if I should use them together. Untraining a dog is a bit more difficult than training a dog. Retraining a dog, I guess you could say. Please, sit. That's down, you silly thing. Let's see if we can get him to do what we actually asked. Come here. Come here. Hey, sit. There we go. Now we've got the sit. He's not very focused right now. Like I said, he's 6 months old, so that has a lot to do with it. And why we have him out socializing, because socialization is good. Alright. Don't pull on me, dude. Come here. Maybe if I just walk backwards for a while. We're just going to keep Blaze. Okay, so I have to tell you. I have the phone. And so if you follow this leash up, it is hooked to me. So every time he jolts, I get jolted. So we are going to take a moment and do some training. Let's see if we can get him to actually behave. Blaze, do you want to try something new? Heel up. Heel. This could be really slow, guys. Yeah, it looks like we got some stuff to work on as far as that's concerned. I'd like him to stop pulling on. Hey, Blaze. Leave it. Hey, Blaze. You want to explain? Would you come here? Come here. Come here, you silly thing. Would you like to explain to us why you're such a pain in the butt sometimes? Oh, this ham bone. Silly dog. Silly dog. Oh, he's a good boy. So we'll definitely have to do some more training. Obviously. Gotta figure this leash out. Like I said, it's going to be retraining, not training. So it's not going to be the easiest to teach him that he's no longer supposed to pull on this rope. Come on, bud. What are you doing? You're so close. Please. Oh, he's a good puppy. Alright, I guess we'll just let Blaze bleed Blaze so that he can view the rest of this place before we actually do some work on him. Yes, look at this, guys. Christmas stuff. Christmas stuff is out already. Isn't that crazy? Blaze, do you like the cactuses? He's getting a good sniff from them cactuses. He's not going to like it if one of them pokes him. It's pretty neat. Where are you going, bud? Well, maybe we'll have that be part of our 30-day challenge. Get him to stop pulling on this leash. Maybe get this Mississippi to stop. I'm not seeing anybody more, but you guys saw how he reacts with people. He gets so super excited. But your dogs don't have to say hi to every single person that they see. Sorry about that. He is cruising through here. I thought he was going to stop and sniff some more, but he's apparently thinks that we're doing search and rescue. Forgot to tell Blaze that we don't do that no more, apparently. It's kind of hard to explain to a dog that your job got replaced or changed. So he's had a change of positions. Now he's going to be doing shed hunting. And if you're wondering why we decided not to do search and rescue, leave me a comment and we'll let you know. If not, we won't worry about it. I think that's part of why he gets so excited when he sees people too, is the search and rescue training. Oh, found another gate, huh, bud? Found some new things to sniff. Hey Blaze, I'm not gonna fit between that, dude. At least not holding holding the filming equipment. Look at this thing. Wow! That is really cool. Blaze, look at that thing. That's pretty neat. I love Halloween decorations. It's my favorite holiday. He must see somebody. Little tails are going. Blaze, come on out of there. They're on the other side of the thing and he wants to go right through to say hi to him. How funny is that? Silly dog. He absolutely adores people. He hears people. Come on. You can't act like that when you meet people. Whoa. Please. Please, someone's really close. You can't. Nope. You can't say hi to people when you're jumping. Oh, people are going to say hi to you anyways. Alright, Blaze, chill. Hey. He's really excited because he sees people. We're going to bring him over here to this corner. Stop that. Blaze. Down. All the way down. We're going to put him in a down because I don't like that type of at all. This is kind of like a doggy time out. Down. Blaze. Down. Not going to let him up. Don't like that. I do let him watch them. I don't like push him all the way over into a submissive posture because he is a submissive peer. Blaze down. But I do try and put him down so that he has to calm down. Sorry if it seems a little rough, but I don't like the risk. I don't want him jumping on somebody and hurting them. I'm not hurting him by pushing him down like that. That wasn't... He's fine. Blaze. Good boy. You stay down. Now that he's a little bit calmer. Oh, he tensed up again. He's pretty excited. Blaze. Down. You're not hurt. You stop. He's not hurt or anything. He's just complaining because he doesn't want to listen. And this happens, guys. This happens. Blaze down. You just have to work through it, whether your dog likes it or not. I know it takes time, but this is reality, guys. You have to let them relax and not act stupid. Nobody likes a dog that jumps around, barks at them, acts all foolish, or anything else. And that's what he was doing. So he's not being hurt. He's just being made to lay over here, away from everybody. Blaze, down. You see, he's acting up. He's not being hurt. He's just being told he has to stay here with me and not act stupid. It might be agitating to him. Like I said, you have to get over it. And there we go. That's a good boy. See, he's doing better now. He's getting over it. He's starting to give me his attention back. Sorry if I was blocking the camera or anything got a little messed up there. Reality is I have to train my dog whether we're taking a video or not. I cannot let him act that way. As you can see, in training. Yep. On Bulba. And the people in town here, they know us. They've seen us out before. Blaze has done this before. I always take him to the side and make him lay down. It's not a terrible thing, guys. It's actually, I think it's a useful tool to just make them lay down once in a while. Like, they don't need total freedom. They just don't need it. See, now he's watching people as they walk by. He's not acting up. He's being better behaved. So, that's a good thing. See, so it worked. He's not acting super stupid. He is excited. He is happy. We didn't get any submissive pain. See, there's a lady walking by, and he's not, oh, he's gonna jump. Please. Bubby, we're not gonna act that way. See, he straightened up quick that time. This is reality, guys. This is how you have to do it. You have to take the time. If you want your dogs to be good enough to be in public, you have to take the time. It's a consistency thing. It's a training thing. It's time. I know we don't like to hear it. We don't like to have to treat our babies this way. But, like, they're not babies. This is a dog. This is a dog. He's got teeth. He's got claws. I have to control him. I can't risk anybody else's getting hurt or anything like that. So if he acts up, he has to go away. That's not his business. It's not his to be out there acting like that. He has to straighten up. And not gonna lie, this is where he's stuck. Pretty much in a corner. We've backed ourselves into a corner. It is a doggy timeout. I took him away from where the people were so that he could calm down. And that's how it is with puppies. You can't let them, I know people say, let them be puppies, let them be puppies. Why? So when they get this bigger than this, he'll pull me over. Like, he's a big dog. He's only 6 months old. I know he's mostly grown, but, like, I don't want him acting like that as an adult. I want a dog that can come into public, be still, act like a gentleman, not a little butthead. And so, this is how we do it. And you guys will probably see this a few times in the 30-day challenge. You probably will see him have to lay down and behave himself. See, now he's going to go back to sniffing things and not acting like a bad boy. This is why we bring him out. Please stop pulling. Sit. Good boy. So he's pulling again. There's people there. We're going to walk away. I can't do that. He has to learn. And we'll come back this way. You can see he's pulling real hard again. Please. I know you want to see the people, but you can't see the people when you're being a bad boy. And I consider that being a bad boy. That little bit of pulling and excitement, I don't like it. I don't allow it. Come on. So we're not even going to let him see this lady, but we're going to attempt to walk past. And see, he sniffed, and he's passed. Why did I not let him see her? Because he's being a little butthead. Thank you very much. Alright, come on. You see, he's all excited and being crazy. And so, guys, that display's being bad. And so now we're back all the way outside. Heading back to our vehicle. And we're at our vehicle. Blaze Rod's in a crate. God, his harness getting in. Alright, good boy. Say bye. Bye, Blaze.